How to share notes on Instagram with close friends. Instagram notes feature allow you to share short messages up to 20-30 characters with your close friends or followers who follow you back. And here is how to do it. First of all, open the Instagram on your mobile device and make sure you are logged into your Instagram account. Once logged in, go to your direct messages by tapping the message icon at the top right corner of your screen. Now, once inside the messages, at the top of your chat list, you will see your profile picture with leave a note next to it. Simply tap on it. Now, once you tap on it, all you have to do is simply type your messages. So I'm simply tapping down the hey for now. Or if you also want to add some emojis, stickers, or even the music or your notes, then you can simply do that easily by tapping on the icons available there. Then tap on the followers you follow back option available there. Then you can see close friends option available. Simply tap on the close friends instead of followers who you follow back. And once done so, tap share and your note will be visible to your close friends for 24 hours. You can only post one note at a time. So once posted, you can simply tap on your note and see if it's only available for close friends or not. Tap on your note. And that is it. If you found this video helpful, please like, share and subscribe, and thank you so much for watching.